CIA Triad. The CIA Triad is a fundamental model in the field of information security, serving as the backbone of security strategies and practices. It emphasizes the three critical principles of confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which collectively ensure the protection and proper functioning of sensitive data and systems. Each principle addresses specific aspects of security to provide a comprehensive framework for safeguarding digital assets. Confidentiality. Confidentiality is the principle that ensures sensitive information is accessed only by authorized individuals or systems. It focuses on preventing unauthorized access, disclosure, or exposure of data. This principle is critical for protecting private, personal, or organizational information, such as customer data, intellectual property, and financial records. To maintain confidentiality, organizations implement a range of security measures. These include data encryption, which converts information into unreadable formats unless decrypted by authorized users, and access controls, which restrict system access to only those with the proper permissions. Multi-factor authentication is another critical technique, requiring users to verify their identities using multiple factors, such as passwords, biometrics, or security tokens. Network security tools, such as firewalls and VPNs, also play a crucial role in keeping unauthorized entities out of the network. For example, in online banking, the confidentiality of a customer's account details and transaction history is protected through encryption and secure login systems. Breaches of confidentiality, such as leaking confidential business strategies, can result in reputational damage and financial loss, making this principle a cornerstone of effective security. Integrity. Integrity ensures that data remains accurate, consistent, and trustworthy throughout its life cycle. It focuses on protecting information from unauthorized modification, corruption, or deletion, whether accidental or intentional. Without data integrity, organizations cannot trust the accuracy of the information they rely on to make decisions, comply with regulations, or serve customers. To protect integrity, systems utilize methods such as hashing and checksums, which create unique identifiers for data. If data is altered, its hash value changes, alerting administrators to potential tampering. Digital signatures are another important tool, confirming the authenticity and integrity of files, documents, or messages. Secure file transfer protocols, like SFTP, ensure that data remains unaltered during transmission. For instance, in financial systems, integrity ensures that transactions recorded in a bank's database reflect the correct amounts and account details. If someone were to tamper with these records, it could cause financial chaos and legal consequences. Integrity violations may also occur due to malware, system errors, or insider threats, making robust measures essential to safeguard information. Availability. Availability ensures that authorized users can access data, systems, and services whenever they need them. It focuses on minimizing downtime, disruptions, and delays to ensure the continuity of business operations. This principle is particularly important for organizations that rely on real-time systems, such as healthcare facilities, financial institutions, and e-commerce platforms. Maintaining availability involves implementing redundant systems, such as backup servers and failover mechanisms, that can take over during hardware failures or unexpected outages. Disaster recovery plans, including regular data backups and recovery testing, are essential for restoring systems quickly after incidents. To protect against cyber threats, organizations use measures like denial-of-service attack prevention tools, load balancers, and robust network architectures. For example, a hospital's patient management system must remain operational to ensure timely medical care. If the system becomes unavailable due to a ransomware attack or hardware failure, the consequences could be life-threatening. Ensuring availability also involves continuous monitoring of systems, proactive maintenance, and swift incident response to minimize downtime. Interdependence of the CIA triad. The three principles of the CIA triad are interdependent, meaning a breach in one area can impact the others. For instance, if an organization's systems are unavailable, it could also compromise the confidentiality and integrity of the data due to unauthorized recovery attempts or data corruption. Similarly, weak confidentiality measures can lead to integrity violations, as attackers with unauthorized access may alter data. Striking a balance between these principles is crucial. Overemphasizing one, such as confidentiality, might limit availability, while neglecting integrity could render data unusable even if it remains confidential. A holistic approach ensures that all three principles are maintained effectively. Threats to the CIA triad. Starting with threats to confidentiality. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities to access confidential data, often leading to reputational damage and financial loss. Examples include breaches in healthcare and financial sectors. Cybercriminals use deceptive emails or websites to trick users into revealing sensitive credentials or personal data. Employees or contractors with legitimate access misuse their privileges, either maliciously or accidentally, resulting in data leaks. Weak or misconfigured authentication mechanisms allow unauthorized individuals to access private information. These attacks often aim to steal or expose sensitive data, compromising confidentiality. Integrity ensures that data remains accurate and untampered. Threats to this principle often result in corruption or falsification of information. Hackers or insiders alter critical information in databases, leading to incorrect decisions or processes. For example, unauthorized changes to financial records can disrupt operations. Cybercriminals intercept and modify data during transmission, compromising its accuracy. Viruses, Trojans, and other malware can corrupt files and applications, impacting the reliability of systems. Poorly managed updates or accidental changes can introduce discrepancies in data, leading to integrity violations. Skilled attackers may infiltrate systems over long periods, making subtle, undetected changes to data. Availability is critical for ensuring users have reliable access to resources. Threats in this area often focus on denying or disrupting access. Distributed denial of service attacks involves overwhelming servers with traffic which renders systems unavailable to legitimate users. These attacks are common against e-commerce platforms and public services. Malfunctions in storage, networking devices, or servers can cause prolonged downtime, especially without proper redundancy. Earthquakes, floods, or fires can physically damage infrastructure, affecting availability. Misconfigurations, accidental deletions, or unplanned maintenance can temporarily halt access to resources. Ransomware attacks encrypt critical data and systems, preventing access until a ransom is paid. To summarize, the CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, is the foundation of information security. It provides a structured approach to safeguarding sensitive information and systems against evolving threats. By implementing robust security measures tailored to each principle, organizations can protect their digital assets, maintain customer trust, and comply with regulatory requirements. Whether securing financial systems, healthcare networks, or e-commerce platforms, the CIA triad serves as a guiding framework for achieving comprehensive information security.